Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player. Today I'm going to show you how to play Green River by CCR. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. All right, let's get started. Okay, so the song starts off with this neat little slide. It's got lots of open strings and clanginess to it, and a lot of a neat blues sound to it. So to start with, you're going to take your third finger and put it on the G string on the third fret. Your second finger is going to go on the second fret of the B string, and you're going to slide it up like this. You're going to do it twice, and the second time you're going to do this. You're going to hit that open E, open E, B and G string. From there, you're going to do the G string on the second fret and the D string on the second fret. You take that G string and you're going to bend it like this and pull off. Then the D string, you're just going to and that's the progressions. You're going to go open E. You're going to make this E chord here. You're going to just bar the second fret. You're going to open E. You're going to hit the second fret on the D string. And on the A string, you're going to hit your pinky and hit that fifth fret. Then pull off. So it goes. So you do this one time. On the second time, instead of pulling off and hitting that open A, you're going to go to this G here. Third fret on the E string and open, and you go back to that intro. When he starts singing, before he goes into the, they're doing where you're bending that G string on the 2nd fret. And then you're going to hit these 2 highest strings, the B and the E. After it does that 3 times, you're going to go into this next part of the chord progression. And that's going to be a C chord to an A chord. So it's going to go. If that's too much of a stretch, you can always do this. So to play that as a C chord, you're going to bar the 3rd fret, and then on the 5th fret, on the D and the G string, you're going to put these, you're going to put your 2nd finger like this. Or you can use your 3rd finger. If that's too much of a stretch, you can do it like this. You can just bar the 5th fret with your 1st finger on the D string down, and then you can, on the D string, you can use your 3rd finger on the 7th fret and the 8th fret. Then jump up here to the A and do the same thing. Then you end on that G and pull off to that E again. Then back to the intro. And that's basically the progression. There's this little lick in the end of it, at the end of the chorus. He throws that in there. If you listen to it, you can see where it comes in. It's going to go. And all that is a slide from the 3rd to the 5th on the B string. Okay, it goes. So you're going to slide down to the 5th from the 3rd on the B string. So second fret on the G string, open G, 2nd fret on the D string, it goes. So that is the chord progression for it. It's a kind of a fun song to play once you get the kind of the rhythm down. It's a nice blues thing. It's got lots of open strings, and I think it sounds pretty cool. So I hope this helps you out. If it does, subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.